Namaskar. Okay, what do I have it in my hand? Can you see? It's a kind of sharpener. Okay. Now, if I ask you, how does it look like? What is that? What are the colors here? Yellow and blue. What is the shape here? Can you make it out? It's like a cuboid. Okay. What is the thing used? If you can look carefully, it is made up of plastic. Okay. And there is one sharpener inside that, and then there is an eraser also. So we can say it has one sharpener and one eraser inside. Okay. What it is used for? It is used for sharpening pencils, and eraser is used to erase pencil work. Okay, now remember this thing. Now I'll show you another thing. What is this? This is a lens. But how does it look like? Yes, first let's talk about the colors. It's green and orange in color. It has two glasses. Okay, 2, the number 2 is there. Okay, is it big or small? One glass is big and the other one is small. What is it used for? It is used to see things in an enlarged way. You know, when you want to see the bigger image of whatever you're reading or whatever you are watching. Okay, so it is used for that. Now, when we are describing something, so we need to keep certain things in mind whenever we are asked. Okay, so we need to keep it in mind. 5 very important basic things. We can add other things also, but first thing should be shape, color, size, what kind it is, like quality, okay, and the numbers. I'll repeat: shape, color, size, kind, the qualities. I said it is big or small, what it is used for, and the number. The way we used here, 2 lenses are there. And then we can also say the glass is clean. Okay, so that is a quality. When we use such words to describe something, these are called describing words or adjectives. We need to do that again and again because we need to describe so many things at various places. Okay, like in your story writing as well, when you're writing a paragraph or anywhere, when you're trying to explain something to anyone, there also you need to, when you're speaking also, how was the place if somebody asks you. So you need to tell, oh, it was a beautiful place, it had so many shops and there were so many people. So when you describe this, so you need to know what are describing words, what all describing words we can use in our description when we are describing anything. Now we will be doing one exercise here in today's session. This one, the sheet is this. There are a lot of examples given here. In spring, all the trees are full of green leaves. It's very important to mention. Now, what is green here? Color. So they have described leaves as green leaves. They could be yellow also or dry also. You know? The lake is very deep. So how is the lake? It is very deep. That's a quality. Okay. Now, white clouds were floating across the blue sky. Again, there is color. White clouds and blue sky. So we need, the description becomes more interesting. You can imagine while reading, okay, what does the person who's written it, he wants to tell us, he or she wants to tell us or convey it to us. There is one exercise here. Half of it we will be doing in this session and rest of it will be your homework. There are 12. I'll be doing 6 here. We have to pick out the adjectives and the nouns to pronounce the qualifier. One has been done. First we have to find out noun and then the adjective. Okay. Now in spring the trees are covered with green leaves. Okay. Now what is the noun here? Leaves. Okay. And how are the leaves? Green. Okay. So the noun is leaves and Adjective is green here. Next is his shoes were muddy and his clothes wet. What are the nouns here? There are two nouns here. Shoes and clothes, things, isn't it? And how are the shoes? Muddy. And how are the clothes? Wet. That signifies the quality. Okay. Now the next one, number 3. The bag was heavy and the little boy could not lift it up. Now what was the noun here? Bag. And how was the bag? Heavy. Okay. So that's a quality. The hungry tiger was looking for food. What is the noun here? Tiger. How was the tiger? Hungry. That's an adjective. Again, a quality. Number 5. Mary's lamb was white and woolly. Now what are we describing here? What is the noun we are talking about here? Lamb. Mary's lamb. Mainly basically lamb. And how was the lamb? What is the adjective? White and woolly. Number 6. Alam was tired and thirsty after the long walk. Whom are we talking about here? Noun. What is the noun here? Alam. Okay. How was his feeling? Tired and thirsty. That's an adjective in this particular sentence. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will be homework, which I believe you all will be able to do it. Bye. Thank you.